Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Technical Analysis series by Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College. So in last video, Raghav predicted that prices of Nifty 50 would fall in the initial hours and then would recover, but the exact opposite has happened on Monday. The markets are really getting unpredictable. So on Monday, the prices first rose and then it fell in the final hours of the market before closing. Now let's make our prediction based on today's chart, that is Tuesday. So firstly starting with the RSI is over 60. Let me tell you that I have changed the default settings of RSI, that I have changes limits from 70 and 30 to 60 and 40, because that's the limit usually where the market reacts. So the RSI is above 60, so that's obviously the stocks are overbought and the prices may fall. Let's see the super trend. The super trend is showing a buying pressure, and if we see the Bollinger Bands, the last candle have touched the upper band, and now the next candle is the first candle which would appear tomorrow would be the deciding factor that in which direction the market would go. If we see the exponential moving average, where the blue line is the fast line and red being the slower, so it has not yet converged, but we can predict that they might meet in future, that is tomorrow, and the slow fast line may cut the slow line from above, giving a bearish signal. If we see the simple moving average, that is with 50 length, the candles are above the simple moving average, giving a bullish signal. So that's all the indicators which we use for analysis. Now let's sum up our analysis and predict tomorrow's changes. So the RSI is over 60, thus the stock is overbought and prices might fall. The exponential moving average have not yet converged, but the fast line may cut the slow line from above in future. The candles are above the 50 moving average, thus giving a bullish signal. The candles have touched the upper band of Bollinger Bands, and thus it might fall, or we can't exactly say that it might fall, because the first candle tomorrow would be deciding whether in which direction the market would go. The super trend is showing a buying pressure. So the predictions for tomorrow would be in two parts. So as we have discussed earlier about the Bollinger Bands and the second candle which would be making the decision for tomorrow's trend. So if the first candle breaks the low of today's last candle, the first candle tomorrow, if it breaks the low of today's last candle, the prices may fall in the initial hours but would go up later, or would at least recover the fall made during the initial hour. Or the prices may go up tomorrow if tomorrow's first candle is bullish and breaks the high of today's last candle in 5 minutes time frame initially, and then it will eventually fall. So that's the analysis for today. Thank you.